today's video we will discuss a GATE CSE 2025 previous year question. So you can see a C program is given to you, and it was asked that you have to find the output of this question, okay, output of this program. So what we can see here is a C program given in which starting from here and two functions we can see here. Foo function is there starting from here, ending here, and a main function is there which is starting here and ending here. Okay, so now we all know that how we start our question. We'll start from the main program. Okay, so we'll start the obviously we will start our C program from the main function. So main function, and we will follow all the steps which are there. Okay, so starting from here, now what we can see, first step is a Z variable is declared which is of pointer type. Okay, so which is a pointer variable which is of integer type. So pointer variable will always store the address of any variable, and then it is of integer type, so Z will store the address of any integer variable. Okay, then next step, here we can see A is declared and is given the value 20, and then we can see B is declared and which is assigned the value 25. Simple integer variables are there and they are assigned the value. Now in the third step we can say Z equals to address of A. So in Z we have to put the address of A. As we know, Z is a pointer variable which will store the address. Now let us suppose A's address is 1000 and B's address is 2000. Okay. Now what we get, Z equals to address of A means Z will store the address of A, that is your 1000. Now this is also complete. Now we can see in the third step a foo function is called, and in this value Z and B are passed. Okay, so value of Z is your 1000 and value at B is your 25. So these two parameters are passed and foo function is called. So we will move here where the foo function is there. This is your function, and now we can see that parameters are passed, and P, we can see P is also a pointer variable. Again P will store the address of any integer variable. So we can again Z, that 1000 value is passed here, and we can see for X plus 25 is passed. Okay, so we can see here P is this and your X is this. Now what we have to do, what it is given the next step, star P equals to X. Now see, P is your 1000. Okay, and star P means value at P. See, now see 1000 is there and value at 1000 is your 20. Okay, so we are here now, and in this value what is assigned, X is your 25. So value at 1000 is now replaced with your this X value. X was your 25, so this has your 25. Okay, so this is the important thing here. Now this function is completed. Now again we will move to here. This function is complete. Now we will come to the next step. Now what is the printf percentage A? Now if value of A is printed here, so value at A is your 25, so 25 will be printed. Now this is also completed. Then we will return to 0, and then this function is completed. So now this program is completed and the value printed is your 25. So answer of this question will be 25.